welcome back to Cuties YouTube channel. If you guys are here for the first time, I'm very welcome. Before we started today's Pantyhose review, please let me tell you guys, consider to subscribe my channel, and if you like this content, if you love Cuties content overall, please click the like and also check out my membership site for more spicier and exclusive content of me. So check it out in description box so you can find the link. Today is an exciting day to review stockings, stay up stocking. In a while, I most of the times review the tights or pantyhose, but way less stocking for sure. But today, that's why I said it's an exciting day. It's been a while, we'll see. But these ones I got it from my fans, Nicola, RS Love, Stay Up Stocking. I love this color, I love this feeling, I love how they look. I already opened it up on my live stream. So we usually opening that unboxing gift from fans on live stream. So if you guys are interested in watching this unboxing pantyhose, please check out my live stream schedule as well. So yeah, I just opened it today. It's still brand new. But it's not the first time I'm trying this on this YouTube video. So far, I tried it like for 3 hours also. Here's the thing, guys. When I just opened this new pantyhose on the YouTube video, on review video, I'm more excited because it's just brand new. It's more like, oh wow, I'm getting a new pantyhose like this. But also, in that case, I'm only wearing like for 10 minutes during I'm filming that video, so I cannot really give you like a genuine review. But after wearing them for a couple hours or for a days, or sometimes for a couple days, it can give you like a real customer review. So it's that better. But also it's already opened that package. It's not the brand new condition. So I feel like maybe people just want to see like a brand new pantyhose unboxing. So I don't know. Between. Anyways, so this time I can give you like the things that I have felt about this Stay Up stocking. Okay, so let's see. Okay, once again, the brand RS Love, and this one's apparently it's a UK tight, I think, UK brand. It has a lace on the thigh and perfect, lovely, my favorite colors, coffee, and yes, it's soft. That looks durable, and the silicones has a two lines of a strap of silicones to stay up. And what I like about this stocking is that lace quality. Some flimsy stocking has like, so shitty lace area, but this lace contour top, I love that. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so let's try this on. By the way, that I'm wearing under this stocking, this one is K Pantyhose 20 denier sheer skin peach. I called it peach. So I'm going to layer this K Pantyhose under and this stocking on top. Let me try this on. Left side complete. The right side. This is reinforced toe. Yes, it is. This is one of the most, sorry. So is it reinforced toe? Is it cotton gusset, or one of common questions that I get from you guys? So I will give you the information. It's reinforced toe. I tried this one. It definitely looks darker. It looks more thicker with layering than just wearing Cape panties 20 deniers by itself. It's soft. I like texture. I have wore this for 3 hours on live stream, I said, and I felt it. It's quite soft. You will like this silky look. Try this high heel on. I choose this gold high heel with this stay up stocking because there's color matching for sure. And also I'm wearing this cocktail party dress today, so feel like, you know, very party moody girl. And many of my fans love this gold high heel as well. So I think that looks good together. So for yeah, so far I can tell you guys this is reinforced toe. I love this coffee color. It looks very natural, not too dark, not too light. So it's just perfect color, and definitely texture with this 20 denier. I can say I love it. It's soft, and as I said, the lace quality of that, you know, the fabric of lace part, it's pretty good compared to some other weird texture. I was impressed at how good it is. And the stitches are, yes. Okay, so since it is a real review after try that on, what I felt while I'm wearing them on live stream was, even though it has a silicone, it doesn't stay up very much. It just keep falling, keep scrolling down, rolling down. Yeah, it keep rolling down. And let's just try this without pantyhose, because I think I cannot really say that silicone doesn't stay up because I layered. It's not my skin, so it's not fair to review them like that. So I'm gonna try this without pantyhose. How that feeling different, that silicone strap on top, right on top of my skin, compared to this pantyhose. Okay. Okay, I usually like to layer stocking and panties together, but as I said, it's not fair for the test their strap. I'm gonna take this pantyhose under off, then we'll see how stable they are on my thigh. I will be right back. Ta-da! I took this pantyhose off, So it's just purely, genuinely, just a stocking only. And let's high heel again. Without pantyhose, just a stocking, it definitely feels way lighter. So when I touch this, my leg, it feels different. It feels way lighter and way more silkier. Cause layering feels more, you know, more like wow, thicknesses. So yeah, softness is good, and I don't know if you like this color. I love it. Since we just took this pantyhose off because of to test this silicone strap, right? How strong they stick on my thigh. Okay, I can feel it. It's definitely better itself without pantyhose. That silicone stick on my skin way better than the on top of a pantyhose, so it feels more comfortable. I don't need to always like, you know, adjusting and like grabbing up. So for sure, yeah, it's definitely stick on my skin better. But what I love about this but what I'm concerned about this stocking is, even though that silicone is sticky enough, but that fabric, that lace part, like flipped is the apart, like flipped the fabric. Sorry, I was again. But what I concerned about this stocking is, even though I said that lace fabrics are decent and good, but that thigh part, that silicone stick enough, yeah, but that's just like a flipped their fabric, just keep flipped their silicone, you know. So silicone's supposed to stick on your skin, don't flip on the other side. It just keep going like rolling. So like yeah, even it happens now too. So which I feel uncomfortable about it. I wish they just like very tightly, comfortably like wrapping around on my thigh. But why this silicone? Like for example, this is your silicone. It just flipped to the other side. Why? I don't know. But also the good thing about this stay up stocking is I like their length. Sometimes the stocking, like you maximize the full up, but it's still like hanging around somewhere awkward spot. But this one's fully covered and they staying where I want to put on the thigh. Okay, so that length, I like this. The color, as I said. So far, I will just leave you to decide yes or no. Overall, it's good. About the silicone part, I have a little some question mark about that. Thank you very much for watching my stay up stocking review in a while. I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.